Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. My name's Graham and today I'd like to show you around our fantastic 15 reg Jaguar F-Type 3 litre S. This vehicle is a one-owner car. She's only done 22,000 miles and has over £10,000 worth of factory options. The car itself is finished in Dark Sapphire metallic. The S model comes with the more aggressive front air dam, so we've got piano black on the front. As you can see, the alloys will jump out at you. They're a £3,700 option. Now these wheels have just been completely refurbished by one of our specialist team. They come with the carbon fibre blades, and if I just demonstrate the centre caps to you, when it spins they light up, but as you're driving down the road they stay central and they light up. She's got the red brake calipers. The S model, again, has the more aggressive side skirts. Our valeters have highly detailed this vehicle. We've took all the exhaust fumes off the chrome pipes, so they're as new. She's riding on matching tyres all the way around. This car has the benefit again of keyless entry. So my keys are in my pocket. I just press the button there. The door handles will also come out of the vehicle. Lovely option. Something I'd opt for myself is the panoramic glass roof. That's a fixed glass roof, but on the inside you've got the headlining. If it's a bit too hot you can just close that. F-Type Jaguar has got the boot spoiler which comes out at speed. This one has got the reversing camera which is just fitted in there. Inside we've got the sports exhaust, the traction control, you can adjust the rear spoiler, we've got the automatic transmission, dual zone climate control and air condition. We've got the touchscreen satellite navigation and menu, so you can press the radio, you get the DAB radio up there, press the home screen on the left, it returns. You've got the cameras, the in-app control, lovely rear view camera, back to the menu, touch everything, satellite navigation,